Hey, what's going on, my Xceeded FX family? Here today, it's going to be Wednesday, August the 7th, 2024. Another great day in the markets. Again, I was trading ES today, which is S&P 500. So I just wanted to show you a quick video how I earned $950 in the market today. Now, I will say today price action was a little choppy. However, we were still successful in the markets. The longest trade was 35 minutes. The average trade time was 5 minutes. And again, we finished with $950. So let me show you how. So I'm going back to TradingView. And if you watched my video from yesterday, oh yeah, again, please remember to subscribe and like and comment, ask questions. I love answering questions and helping as many people as I can. And hopefully this video is helpful for you. All right, so how we were able to capture $950 stay in the markets. If you remember from my video from yesterday, I spoke about always knowing where price is. Is price at the high of the day or the low of the day? So for example, this right here is the low of the day. So actually price started right here in Asian session. So that was technically the low of the day. And then right here was the high of the day in New York. So let's actually make this small so we can focus right on New York session. Alrighty. So that was the high of the day. And if you remember yesterday, what I did was let's backplay price. All right. So let's rewind a little bit. I'm always, before I enter a trade, I always want to see where the market is. Right. So I want to identify, hey, are we at a high for the day? Are we at a low for the day? And as you can see here, again, price opened up here in Asian, and we were making higher highs and higher lows. So price was actually bullish in Asian and London. We can easily see that here. Price was moving higher. So me understanding this, I already know, this is a pro tip, and I also explain this in my mentorship, that depending on where price is for the day, I'm going to look for a particular type of trade or setup. So if price is at the high of the day, I'm going to be looking for shorts or to go bearish. If price is at the low of the day, I'm going to be looking for longs or to go bullish. So for example, if we play this through, me already seeing how price was reacting in Asian and London, I could tell that price wanted to go to the upside. And if we watch it, when we get to New York session, that's exactly what price did. So me seeing that, all right, so let me slow it down a little bit. So what I like to do is I look for, now this is technically the high of the day, this box right here. I'm looking for some type of candlestick confirmation, something that's going to signal me to let me know like, hey, it's time to look for some potential shorts and that price is getting weak on the bull side. So I love to look for also patterns. I'm a big fan of something called a double top. So what a double top looks like is this right here. It's like an M in a sense. So whenever you see this type of pattern in the market, a double top, you can anticipate a bearish move to come. It's not, and I'm not saying it's automatic, but you have a very high probability if you see something like this in the market that the market will short. So sure enough, if we play this through, I'm on the 5-minute time frame. The first bearish signal was right here. Now, I've trained my eyes to see this, and I've been doing this for years now. So I'm going to delete these boxes because we no longer need them. We know where the high and the low of the day is. Something that's very useful, pro tip, I'll switch my candlesticks to a line chart. As you can see, sure enough, now you can see the M here, right? So initially it was just a bunch of candlesticks there. So if you ever on the charts, you want to see like a cleaner view of what price action is doing, switch to the line chart. So you can see right here, that's a double top M. And as you can see, the market fell. So I'm going to switch it back to candles for now. and the market shorted off that double top. Now, this move alone, let's do it from the closure of that candle to here. That was 40 minutes and 16 points. So price went from 5351 to 5329. That's a nice move. Now, again, today price action was a little choppy. So what I mean by that is typically I want to see price fall, right? We're already at the high of the day, and I've noticed that because I've been following price. So I want to see this right here. That's what I want to see off of that double top. Now, today what price did is it retested the high, and that's okay, right? A lot of times price will do that to induce buyers because we were looking for sales here. So price fell and it came right back to the high. So it's going to induce buyers, and people are going to think, hey, okay, we need to be buying here. When in actuality, we need to be shorting here. So I'm going to give you another pro tip and how I knew it was a great time to short. So I caught this initial move here, and we're going to play it through. And there we go. There's the short. Now, I'm on the 5-minute. If we switch this to the 15-minute time frame, and I'm going to switch it back to the line chart as I showed you earlier. So I'm going to get rid of this because we no longer need this. Whoops. Hold on. If we switch this to the line chart, sure enough, you see the M. Now this is called a turtle soup M because price, it came back up, but it did not come up to the high of the day. However, price came and retested the high, and price sold off and gave us a nice bearish momentum to the downside. This right here is a great indication that price was ready to sell. Also, this bearish engulfing. So this was the first leg of the M, the second leg of the M right here where I have my arrow, and then price fell. If you would have shorted it from here to here, that was 1 hour and 30 minutes, and that was 40 points. That was an exceptional move. I hope this is helpful. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Again, this is Brian from Xceeded FX. You all have a blessed day.